Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming firmware and calibrations so the motion system responds predictably. Power on drone and controller, wait for GPS lock and at least 8 satellites, then perform compass and IMU calibration. Once done, bind the controller and switch to motion control mode, selecting a conservative speed limit like 50% to reduce risk. You then perform a short tethered hover at 1 to 2 meters to confirm attitude holds, and that inputs produce smooth, proportional motion before moving to free flight. You continue by mapping physical gestures or controller tilt to the drone's motion axes and testing them one at a time so failures are isolated. Make incremental sensitivity adjustments, change by 10% and reevaluate, because small moves change feel dramatically. Then focus on stabilizers and PID. Reduce oscillation by softening P, then recover responsiveness by raising I slightly while watching for drift. Once the drone holds steady under gentle motion inputs, practice coordinated maneuvers to build predictable behavior before recording. You now execute the planned motion-controlled shot by rehearsing the path at reduced speed to internalize timing and camera framing. Make sure battery reserves are sufficient and set return to home to trigger at about 20% so you have margin for a safe climb and return. When finishing, gradually reduce motion inputs, stabilize attitude, then perform a controlled descent and land. Avoid abrupt inputs during touchdown. Troubleshooting tip: if the drone drifts or jitters, immediately land, redo IMU/compass calibration, and lower sensitivity before reattempting the
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.